Right then guys, project 1 started. I've got my Diamond D777 up on these 3 5-foot aluminium swaged scaffold sort of style tubes. A very light construction. So at the moment that's sitting about 15 foot to the base of the antenna there. I've got some additional coax. I've got another 5 foot here. So if I want to, just to gain a bit of height, I can just add another section. Now this is extremely light. I can actually take this out with one hand as well, and it's not too bad. It's not awkward to handle. So I've got a bit of strain relief there as well, little loop, and yes, looking good. I know these clamps are a bit overkill, but they what I had kicking around. And I've got this steel pole here, which is quite thick walled, and that's sort of just buried in the ground by about 3 feet, so it's not going to go anywhere. If the winds are quite excessive, I can lift it out and lay it down. So anyway, I'm going to head back into the shack. I know it's late evening, so I'm not sure whether there'll be a great deal of air traffic I can listen to and give a comparison against my collinear just on the civil air band, because obviously my FT991s don't cover those frequencies. So it's just going to be a test in relation to the civil air band. Anyway, catch you in the shack. Right, back in the shack. So here I've got my FT991A on the civil air band, 127-100, and here I have my FT991. Both are set up the same, squelch levels, everything is identical, just that you have the live scope on the 991A. So the 991A has the Diamond 777, and the 991 just has my standard collinear on the roof here. So I just want to look at the levels, look at the S meter, and see how sensitive each antenna is. Obviously the Diamond 777 should be a little bit more sensitive. Unfortunately, I can't do the military part of the spectrum, because obviously I haven't got this facility on this radio, so I can't really do a side-by-side comparison with a scanner, for example. But anyway, so I'll turn the volume up on the 991A. I'm not going to put it also on the 991. It just seems pointless, but we will be able to sort of look at the S meters. So I'll just turn the volume up now. So yeah, the squelch levels are set to 10 on both radios.
Anything up to 380-707 hotel.
Not a great deal in it there, but obviously the aircraft is probably close and overhead. But it's control and more interested in hearing. So if you see a flicker on the S meter there, you're not getting any movement there. That's just under the squelch level. So that is control, just under the squelch level there, where you can see the movement. And you can see...
Requesting flight level 320, please, for local stopper.
So now we're just looking at the 991 on the 270 collinear. Now the 991A on the Diamond 777. Wait for a little bit more audio and then I'll leave it at that really. I should have done this a bit more on the day. It's a bit late in the evening now, and
level 340, C707 hotel. 390, shall I stop? Right, 390, ready,
So definitely receiving better on the Diamond 777, as to be expected. I'd like to do it on the say the military airband, but unfortunately I haven't got the equipment to do a side by side really. But anyway, gives you an idea. There's not a great deal in it.
335, shall I stop?
As you can see, I'm picking up London Control on the Diamond D777, but not on my collinear. Anyway, I'll say 73 guys, project number 1 done.